Want to turn your screen black and white to reduce distraction or help with visual clarity? Here's how to enable grayscale mode using color correction on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, then tap vision enhancement, tap color correction, turn on the toggle to enable color correction, scroll down the screen, then choose grayscale from the list. That's it, your phone display will now turn into black and white. As a note, if you want quick access to turn this on or off later, turn on the shortcut option. To do so, tap color correction shortcut, turn it on, and then select the desired shortcut. As the example, if you choose tap accessibility button, then next time you can easily enable or disable the color correction feature by tapping the accessibility button and then tap color correction. So given to the function, this is super useful if you are sensitive to colors, want to reduce eye strain, or just need a minimal look to stay focused. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.